investing in this market. But the key, before you guys invest in this market, a key factor that is the return on investment, you should consider of this factor before you make investment. So today, I want to show you step by step how to calculate the return on investment using flipping houses. Okay? What's the definition of return on investment? It's also called ROI. It's a measurement, it's a performance measurement to evaluate the efficiency of your investment or to compare the efficiencies of a number of investment, different investment. It measures the return from the investment relative to the cost of the investment. So the formula looks like this. If you want to calculate the ROI, you use the gain from the investment. Sorry. From the investment minus the cost of the investment, and then you get the net income or profit in accounting term, and then divided by the cost of the investment times 100%. Okay, so that's the formula to calculate the return on investment, also called ROI. The first example, I will show you two examples. The first example, I will use, in that case, you buy a house with cash. So, in this house, you pay 100K for the house, 100K. And then you spend 50K to repair and rehab the house. After that, you sell the house. The price, you get 200K. Okay? In this case, the ROI should be 200 minus 100 and minus 50. You get net income and divided by the cost, 100 plus 50K. 100K plus 50K. And then you got 33%. Yeah, it's very good. The market right now, I think the price here is very reasonable, so the market is very good. And the second example, if you buy the house, use mortgage, okay, not pay in cash. What's the ROI in this situation? The house is still 100K. The price is still 100K, but you only pay 20% down payment. It's 20K. And then you borrow money from bank 8K. And you still need to use 50K to rehab and repair the house. But because you borrow money from bank, you have extra cost. One is the interest rate, interest from interest rate. So it's 1.5K, okay? And then you have closing cost. So it's 3.5K. What's the cost of your investment at this situation? The cost is 20K your down pay, plus the 50K for the rehab and the repair, and then 1.5K for the here is 75K. And the gain here is you sold the house, you sell the house is 200K minus the 80K from the loan. And then you get 120K. And then you use the ROI formula there, and then use the gain minus the cost divided by the cost. You got 60%. It's much higher than 33.3%. In summary, in order to get ROI, you need to find out the gain from investment, the cost for of the investment, and the difference, the net income, and then using net income divided by the cost. Any question?